Tiny hat. And a little tiny forehead. Oh, and a great big cry.
She's okay, Xander. It's okay.
Where's her
She's fine.
ears? Where's her ears?
Oh,
She okay?
say, don't cry, baby.
Is she okay?
Okay, she's okay. Come here.
Go see her, Xander. That's okay.
See?
She's okay.
She just, babies don't know. They have to cry sometimes. Little hands. And little, see your little feet? Where's your little feet? Wait a minute, where'd they go? They're all in there.
They're in there somewhere.
There.
Look at the little feet.
Little feet.
She's little, isn't she?
Uh-oh.
It's okay. Babies cry.
It's okay.
The babies on the bus go.
Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Babies on the
Mom
bus
again.
go. Wah, wah, wah. And what does Mom do?
What's the baby's name, Xander?